got a hit on something here. What we got? Good, a speck. Yes, sir. A good one. Well, I don't know if it's a great one, but it's a keeper. Let me go up and measure this. Oh, no. Don't get away. Let's go up and measure this and see what we got. Get my stringer bag. Yes, sir. I didn't tell anybody the other day, but I've got a measure. Damn. I don't blame you for wanting to get the weight, buddy. Okay, that's 17 inches. You know what that means, don't you? Doesn't seem like anything's ever where you put it. Yeah, it's not. Oh, I know why I can't find this, because I've got it in this tackle box. Okay, spec has to be 15. This is 17. You are going on the stringer, my man, which I haven't even used yet. There, he should stay alive in there for a while. Tell you what, this looks like a worthwhile Saturday to come out. Ah, no, we had to catch a catfish. The universe just wouldn't be right without a catfish. I don't know if the locals around here, which I've got a driver's license, so I'm a local now. I don't know if they throw these nasty things up on the bank or if they turn them loose. Here goes. He was out of the water a while. I think he'll be okay though. Alright, we got something on. Something that don't feel like a good one. Damn. Another doggone stingray. I didn't buy this shrimp for you. Did not buy this shrimp for you. I don't know what species that is. It doesn't have a stinger on its tail. It doesn't look like a skate. Although it sure looks like it's trying to sting something, don't it? Oh well. Aggravating thing. This is what I like about these bags. This fish was still thrashing when I pulled it out of the water, and it must have been about 2 hours ago now that I caught it. So now I'm going to stick him in my cooler and take it home and clean it. There, check him out. 2 hours later, still a good live fish. That's fresh fish. Okay, what this is all about is I just wanted to get out of the house today. Let's close up all of our doors. Let traffic by. I wanted to get out of the house, but it's a Saturday, so I didn't want to go anywhere that I thought it'd be real crowded. I just really hate weekend crowds. So I went and bought a dozen shrimp, live shrimp, and thought I'd find a little place that would be comfortable and just get out of the RV for a little while. But it was okay. As you saw, I did keep a speckled trout, and that's the first keeper speckled trout I ever caught. Let me stop this noise. And it's also going to be the first speckled trout I've ever eaten that I know of. So anyway, I'll take it. But I have learned that a dozen shrimp aren't that many. I wouldn't be going home already if it wasn't for the fact that I ran out of shrimp. Now, off of those dozen shrimp, I caught the one keeper speckled trout, which was worth it. I caught one hardhead catfish, which is not worth it, and 2 stingrays, which are not worth it. And I had 1 shrimp left on my hook, which I don't know how long it had been dead, but it was a dead shrimp when I took it off and threw it in the lake. So anyway, here I am still trying to learn how to do this saltwater fishing, and had a little bit of luck with it today. So next time, maybe we'll do a little better. Let's just see. All right, goodbye for this time.